How to fix can't find someone on Instagram, fix disabled Instagram account. So if you're trying to find someone on Instagram, right? So you go ahead and then you open the Instagram app, you tap the search bar, you simply try to search for that person's username, but then their name doesn't show up. Now this usually happens basically if you cannot find someone on Instagram. It likely means that their account has been disabled or deleted, or they might have changed their username, so you can try to search using their new username, or in some cases they might have also blocked you, or there might be a temporary glitch with the platform. To try and fix this, you can try to double check the name. If you have a two account or another demo account, you can try to search that particular username from another account. If it shows up in other account but not in your primary account, it means that they have blocked you. Now you can, if it's not showing up in both the accounts or how many accounts that you have, it could mean that their username has changed or their account has been disabled. So what you can do normally for this is you can try to check if you're using the latest version of Instagram update to make sure that it is not the issue coming from Instagram service, and once you've done that, it should help you solve the problem. But otherwise, as I gave you all of the multiple reasons, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in our next video.